Hello everyone, we have a question here which says 11 minus 7 divided by 2. So when we are following the PEMDAS rule, we are going to realize that division comes first before subtraction. So 7 divided by 2, which gives us 3.5 as a decimal. So 3.5 is basically 3.5 if you want it in the mixed fraction form. Okay, so now we have 11 minus 3.5, which gives us 7.5 when you do your basic subtraction. So 3.5, you are going to realize that here becomes 10, and now this place will be left with 10 minus 7. 10 minus 3 gives us 7.5. So now the final answer will be 7.5, or better still 15 divided by 2, or if you want it in a mixed fraction format, this will give us 2 can go into 15 7 times. So as I said, 3.5 is 3.5, 7.5 is 7.5. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye.